Hello everyone, this is Jyoti. Today let us discuss about HTTP status code. What is this HTTP status code? And HTTP status code is a message a website server sends to the browser to indicate whether or not that request can be fulfilled. Next, HTTP status code play an important role for the website owner or a SEO, which means search engine optimization specialist. The status code element is an server response. Is a three-digit integer where the first digit of the status code defines the class of the response and the last two digits do not have any categorization rule. The important thing in the HTTP status code is important, or it can be important note. HTTP status code are the universal recognized by all the HTTP applications. Let's move on. There are mainly 5 different categories of HTTP status code. Firstly, 1x, which means informational. It means the request has been received and the process is continuing. Secondly, 2x, success. It means the action was successfully received, understood and accepted. Third one, 3x, redirection. It means further action must be taken in order to complete the request. Fourth one, client error. It means the request contains incorrect syntax or cannot be fulfilled. Finally, the 5x, which means server error. It means the server failed to fulfill an operatively valid request. So, now let's check the commonly used HTTP status code in all these categories. Firstly, in 1x informational 100, which means continue. Only a part of the request has been received by the server, but as long as it has not been rejected, the client should continue with the request. Secondly, in 2x success, most commonly used are 200. The request is OK. 201 created. The request is completed and a new resource is created. 202 accepted. The request is accepted for processing, but the processing is not complete. In 3x redirection, most common used are 301, which means moved permanently. The request page has moved to the new URL. Secondly, 302, which means found. The request page has moved temporarily to a new URL. In 4x client error, that is 400 bad request. The server did not understand the request. 401 unauthorized. The request page need a username and a password. 403 forbidden. Access is forbidden to the request page. 404, which is commonly known to everyone, that is not found. The server cannot find the request page. Next, in 5x server error, 500 internal server error. The request has not completed. The server met an unexpected condition. 503 service unavailable. The request was not completed. The service is temporarily overloading or down. Finally, the 504 gateway timeout. The gateway has timeout. This is all about the HTTP status code and which are the major or commonly known status code of all the different 5 kinds of categories. Thank you.